Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Wednesday, November 13th at 7:53. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. Today we're drawing a beaver. How to Draw Woodland Animals in Simple Steps by Susie Hodge. This one, I like beavers. They're cute, cuddly. Wouldn't want to cuddle one, but they're real graceful in the water, and they're instinctively smart with their dams they build. This one was easier than others. The shading on it wasn't too complicated, and the shape was fairly easy, being mostly circles. Doing the face was nice. I think it made him look a little clever. Let's get Bella up here. She wants some attention this morning. And let's see. Yeah, you're smaller than a beaver, that's for sure. So yeah, the hair ended up being, or the fur, and it ended up not being too difficult. Again, when you have the base outline, it looks horrible, but then once you start shading in the fur and the edges and get the eyes in there, it starts to look fairly good. Still have a problem with feet, since I'm not going off an actual reference drawing and going off the drawing in the book. I'm not getting the feet quite right, but I'll work on that later. I'm more concerned about the face and the fur, and I'll concentrate in those areas for now. The tail, I looked back on it and wasn't too thrilled with it either, but all in all, it came out pretty good. Working on the nose there a little bit more. So yeah, nice little beaver. I'm wanting to do, excuse me, a little more on the background on some of these, and I may trace these out and put them on a light board so I can color them in instead of using the pencil for shading. So again, if you're wanting to get back into something, a hobby is really nice and relaxing. So here's my final product. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.